Hi, where are you from?
In suburban Chicago.
What's your name?
Ever impressive.
But never duplicate.
Number 22! Number 22!
Hey everybody, what's going on? Eric C here. Hope you guys are doing good. I'm doing just great. So I ended up doing a little bit of destruction here, and I tore apart the body and the neck. All the parts are bagged up right here and labeled for the ESP LTD M-15. So what I ended up doing with this is I kind of checked the fretboard radius. And get my glasses. So I can't find a 13.77 radius gauge. So I have a 12 here. I ended up putting the 12 on here, and now it matches perfect. There is no rocking, there's no light shining through, there's no gaps. So what I ended up doing is going through my stuff, and I might be doing some marker changing here and doing a little bit of customizing on the fretboard itself. Went through my bag of goodies, and guess what I found? 12-inch radius, pre-cut Stumac, jumbo size fret wire. So I got it. Gave the neck a back bow. So as you can see here, it's got a 2-way truss rod inside of it. Gave it a back bow, and now I'm going to be plucking frets. So I have my iron heating up over here. I can see, like on this fret here, it looks like there is some glue residue maybe. So somebody tried to wick the frets in, as far as like I'm trying to get some glue inside of it. So I don't know if these are going to be a pain in the ass to get out, or how much chip out there's going to be. I really don't think there's going to be next to anything. So I'm going to start plucking. In this one we have very little chip out. See how filthy these things go between the fretboard and the